Making the headlines. Man attacked in his car dies in hospital. 2 killed in Manchester identified. A 73-year-old woman burned to death in Clarendon. Now for the news in detail. The man who was shot in a gun attack in the vicinity of Harmony Park in St. James has succumbed in hospital. He has been identified as Albert Reed. Reed was attacked while sitting in his car. He was rushed to the hospital where he later died while being treated. The Manchester police are probing the shooting deaths of a man and a woman along the Kendal main road in the parish early Wednesday morning. The deceased have been identified as Damian Robinson, 29, otherwise known as Bleachers, from a Magtown address in the parish, and Shamoy Bora, 22, of a Common Pen St. Elizabeth address. It is reported that shortly before 1 a.m., the 2 victims were leaving a party in a Toyota Mark X motorcar when, upon reaching the intersection of Barrett Peace and the Kendal Main Road, they were shot at. They were taken to the hospital and pronounced dead. The police in Clarendon are investigating the fiery death of a senior citizen in Crofts Hill district in the parish on Tuesday night. The charred remains of 73-year-old Violet Thomas Smith was taken from the rubble of the house she occupied. Reports are that about 10:45 p.m., fire was seen coming from the board and zinc structure. The police and fire department were called. When the fire service arrived, the structure was already gutted.